Wipe nyo yung northwest lang. Wipe nyo yung northwest. Keep pushing. Guys, healer northwest. Healer northwest. Healer northwest. Healer northwest. Keep going northeast. Northeast and northwest. Clear nyo muna yung northwest, guys. Ignore lahat. Then kill sealers. Kill sealers. Kill sealers. Ignore everything sa southwest. Guys, keep going northwest. Keep going northwest. Patay na yung healers nila. Now you can focus on, guys, heals. Defensive. Spread and kill. Kill them all. Spread. Now you can kill this southwest guard. Bro, wala na silang healer, bro. Wipe nyo lang sila, guys. Literally wala na silang healer. Yung root bound na lang, root bound. Look for the root bound. Where's the root bound, bro? Okay, keep rolling, boys. Keep rolling. Look for the root bound, boys. Very defensive, okay? Chill. Yeah. Heal some break. Bros. Okay, guys. Look for the healer. Look for the root bound, guys. Ito sa southwest, nasa southwest. Ito na lang healer. Southwest. Nasa southwest yung healer. Keep rolling, boys. Keep rolling. Southwest healer. Can you box that out, guys? Bro, southwest na lang. Spread kayo. Ito root bound pala. Itong root bound, ito root bound. Yan na lang. Patayin nyo lang yan. Yeah, okay, ganun lang. Then southwest. Nasa southwest na. Yeah, kill that guy. Then kill this guy. This guy last.
Southeast.
Patayin nyo na yan. Meron pa dito. Sorry. Guys, spread. Defensive east. Guys, dito ay kay southwest. May clap dito. Push nyo lahat. Push nyo lahat tong mga tanga to, gago. Tanga to, guys. Push nyo southeast. Sige, push nyo lang, walang engage yan. Keep pushing them, boys. Keep pushing them. Wala silang engage. Wala pang engage yan. May engage na soon, ha. Be careful, heal spread. May engage na. Magtuturn yan. Magtuturn. Guys, keep pushing them. Yeah. Wala nang engage. Patayin nyo na lahat. Wipe nyo lahat, guys. Keep going. Nice one.
Thank you.
Easy.
GG.
Parang pangalan lang nila. Easy on me. Guys, meron pang tumatakbo sa northeast, ha.
Ako na bala dito.
Uy, ako na bahala.
Tanginan yan.
Come out, boys.
Brutal yun naman.
Loot up.
Ito, may ano ako dito yung nahabol na perma.
Loot up, boys. Loot up.
Putang na 4.3 lang pala.
Loot up.
Ay, wala akong bag.
Okay na yun.
Wala akong buhay ng healer eh.
Ang brain dead talaga ng ng brawl.
Sige, dito, doon.
Come outpost.
Pagka nag-fail yung clap, talo ka na. Parang
Yung
gusto ko itapon yung 7-3 ko. Walang napatay kahit isa. Ito highest damage. Kita ko
Anyone died?
Wala.
Wala.
Dapat wala po, gago.
Ano ba?
Gago sila, namatay lahat.
Sige
Boy.
po ang inigay dyan. Ang galing.
Dalawang beses ako in-engage dyan, gago. May clerical ako, tsaka may gipat.
Shots.
Oo.
Mag-root bound ka na lang, may napatay ako.
Napatay ko, napugutan lang. Awit na yun.
Yeah, okay.
Peke.
Hinahabol ko namatay sa bleed. Ayop na yan.
Wala akong napatay doon.
Ayun na, SSQ naging overweight na eh. Pagpatay namin doon
Guys.
ano.
Trade the loot, guys. We loot split everything, ha? Okay.
Yes.
Ang boring ng brawl ko, promise.